Welcome to my next video. Today I'm reviewing the Craftsman 4-tool combo kit. It's their part number CMCK403D2, and I got this from Lowe's about 8 months ago or so. And I checked the Craftsman website. It's not available on their website, but I believe it's available through Lowe's and maybe Home Depot or some other retailers that carry it. But anyway, it's a great little combo kit. I was actually, I needed a couple tools. I needed a new cordless drill, and also I needed a palm sander. And so I was kind of looking around and I was comparing different models. And again, you know, like I've said in my last videos, I'm pretty much a Craftsman, pretty much standardized on Craftsman, especially with the battery powered tools. That way you have one battery pack for all of your tools. And anyway, I was debating on the palm sander because the Craftsman palm sander is a single speed, and like I'm trying to think I think the Cobalt or whatever they had at Sears was 2-speed, and I was going, do I really need a 2-speed or a 1-speed? Am I making a mistake? But I found this kit, and I needed a drill, and a drill by itself was $100, so for $49 more, I got several other tools that I needed anyway. So I figured I really couldn't make a mistake. So anyway, that's my story on why I got this combo kit. And again, it's their part number CMCK403D2. And let me put this down, get this out of the way. The first tool it comes with is the drill driver. It is a variable speed, and it's 2-speed variable speed. So you've got one with more torque, one with less torque, and then of course your fully adjustable ratchet here, so you can work with it where you don't drill your heads off your screws. And it also comes with a light, so you can see, make sure you don't drill a hole in your finger. And again, it's fully variable and it's reversible. And this particular one, I've got a 2-amp-hour battery on. But anyway, it's a nice little drill, and I use it extensively, and I carry it with me anywhere I go. And it is their part number. Let's make sure I get the right part numbers. Their part number is CMCD700. And again, I'll go over the specs. It's got a 1/2-inch chuck, 2-speed gearbox with variable speeds, and it has a built-in LED light. The next tool that came in this kit is a palm sander. And again, I just couldn't decide whether or not I needed a 2-speed or a single-speed palm sander. And I'd never had one before, so I didn't have anything to compare. And this I've used, it's a single speed, and I've used it on several projects. I've been extremely happy with it. Today I've got a 2-amp-hour battery on it. If you stay with the 2-amp-hour or the 1.5-amp-hour batteries when you're using these tools, they're not as heavy, and so it makes it a lot easier to manipulate. It is a standard 5-inch sanding pad, and again, it is a single speed. I'll turn it on. And then you can see it's got a built-in, and it's removable, a dust collector. And this works really good, so your tool may stay dusty, but your room stays dust-free. And this has worked really, really well for me. I'm glad I made that decision. The third tool it comes with is a reciprocating saw. And again, as I've said, I'm transitioning away from corded tools, and all my reciprocating tool is corded, was before. And with this, I can go out in the backyard and I can trim off branches. I can actually have done some work and trim some roots, in addition to other kind of work that you do use with reciprocating saw. But this is 3,000 RPM. And let me see, and it's got you can see this or not, but you can lock it in place. So when I push it from left to right, it locks the trigger, so the trigger can't go off. Push it back, the trigger works. You can see it's fully variable from slow to fast. And it's got a 1 inch, they say it's a 1 inch movement there. But I've used this and I've been extremely happy with it. And again, it's lightweight and there are no cords. Awesome product. And it is 14.5 inches in length without a saw blade, and it's a 1 inch stroke. So that's what I was trying to show you. It's going up and down about an inch. It looks a lot more than an inch to me, but that's what their spec said. The fourth tool it came with was a flashlight, and this has got a pivoting head. You can see this pivot it up, pivot it down, and it is very lightweight. And you know, again, you can use the 2 amp hour batteries, and this thing will probably stay on for 2 days. I use it extensively when I'm doing work on my car and I need a light, because it's big enough where you can you can have it lean against things, and it's small enough that you can get down in pretty tight places. But this is an awesome little tool, and I love it. Again, the kit comes with the 4 tools. It comes with 2 amp hour Craftsman V20 batteries, and then it comes with a battery charger. And again, I got all 4 of these tools plus 2 batteries and a charger and the little case. I'll show you that case for $149 at Lowe's. And you know, the drill alone is $100, so for $40 you get those extra tools. And it comes with this handy dandy carrying case, so you can always tell where your Craftsman tools are in the bright red carrying case. So that's my review of the Craftsman 4-tool combo kit that I got from Lowe's. And again, it is, make sure I have the right part number here, CMCK403D2. And again, I got it from Lowe's. And again, it's a great addition to my V20 battery powered tools. And one day I'll be cord free. And I appreciate you if you've made it this far watching my video. And I hope something good happens to you today. And I hope you have a great day. And I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription to my channel so you'll be notified the next time a video drops. Have a great day.